Hey y'all, how about today, for today's Saucy Saturday, I make you a traditional Southern favorite, pimento cheese. Only it's not cheese because we're plant-based, whole food, oil-free, but it is delicious and so good. You can eat it with vegetables, you can eat it with crackers, you can eat it with tortillas, you can eat it just on bread. You can use it as a mayonnaise on bread and have some yummy grilled vegetables on there. It's so good, it's so versatile, and it's so full of flavor. So, I'm not gonna eat this one because last time I took too big of a bite. I'm just gonna say let's begin. So, let's begin. Hey y'all. How to make them. Let's begin. Okay, y'all. On this week's edition of Saucy Saturday, we're gonna throw it Southern style. Now, I have always made my own pimento cheese, even before I was plant-based whole food. So, I'm going to show y'all how now I make that plant-based whole food. This is done in a food processor, and this part right here is vitally important. You're going to take a cup and a half of your raw cashews, and y'all, I know normally we just boil them really fast, you know, for like 5 to 10 minutes, but really, these have been soaking for hours. It's best if you can soak them like overnight even. And the longer you soak them, the smoother they're gonna get. The less you soak them, the more you're gonna get that grit and you're gonna be frustrated because it's not gonna be a real smooth. Pimento cheese. In the South, we kind of forget that O at the end. Pimento. So you can put that in your food processor. And then it's really, really easy. So you can get plain rice vinegar, you know, not the seasoned rice, the plain rice vinegar, and it's 2.5 tablespoons. 2 tablespoons of Sriracha in there. I feel like I should clean that up. Is Sriracha bad for dogs? Whoops, just a second. Wow, that's fun. Maybe we should call this the messy cooking show because Lord have mercy. Now you're gonna add 1 tablespoon of tomato paste. 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, 3 tablespoons of some H2O. I think I can wash some of the Sriracha off, maybe not. This is about 3 large garlic cloves, kind of chopped, roughly chopped. And then, I'm just making messes everywhere today, y'all. Good grief. This is 1 teaspoon of paprika, not smoked paprika, just regular paprika. 3/4 of a teaspoon of salt, and cayenne pepper to taste. Now, the cayenne pepper is something I've always put in my pimento cheese. This is about 1/8 to 1/4 of a teaspoon of cayenne. If you want it spicier, your man kind of says, hey, let's just add some more Sriracha. But Sriracha has a lot of oils or natural kind of pepper oils and different things and vinegar and stuff, and it'll change your pimento cheese to something you don't want. So you can add cayenne if you want it a little spicier. So again, that's like 1/8 to 1/4 of a teaspoon. Add more, but you can't take away. Right. So now here's the key. It takes about 5 minutes in your food processor, And you're gonna top and scrape down the sides a lot. And you're gonna think it's not working, it's kind of got a grit to it, it's never gonna get there, but give it a good 5 minutes and it'll be a beautiful cream cheese. Pimento cheese! So I'm going to get this going and see y'all in 5. So after about 5 minutes or so, you wanna get it really smooth. You take it out and you're gonna pour it into a bowl. Maybe I can do this without slinging it across my kitchen. It's kind of thick and pasty, which is fine. It's delicious. Here's where you want to taste it. If you want to make it a little spicier, maybe you want a little more salt, this is where you would add it. And what I use this for is like almost like a mayonnaise on a veggie sandwich. You know how we use hummus sometimes for that? Different things. Just dip. You can just dip it with crackers. You can just have a pimento cheese sandwich. You don't have to put other veggies on it. In the South, that's what we like, just pimento cheese on bread. So it's kind of, think of it almost like a hummus, sort of like what you would use with hummus. You know, you'd use it as a mayonnaise type, you'd use it as a dip, you'd use it as all those different types of things. So that's what this is, and it's amazing. I do say so myself. Now there's another one that I make that is just as delicious. It's more of a hummus type pimento cheese. It has like the chickpeas and tofu and stuff in it. It's really good. It's just different. This one is more like a traditional pimento cheese. In here we have a 1/4 cup of pimentos that have been drained, diced. You can buy them diced. That's really nice of them. You don't put this in the food processor because you want the chunks of the pimentos in your pimento cheese. There you go. Give it a stir. That is it, y'all. How easy and delicious is this? Yummy, yummy, yummy Southern pimento cheese that is plant-based, whole food, oil-free, and crazy good for this saucy Saturday. So be sure to like and subscribe and share and try the recipes. And y'all, we are at, I checked yesterday, at 106 subscribers, and I'm gonna cry. I'm just so overwhelmed and so thankful for everybody that has supported us and subscribed to us, and we love y'all. We truly, truly do, and the words cannot express how thankful we are. Okay, now I'm a crybaby. Anyways, be blessed. Bye, y'all.